Hi dear lovelies, this is absolutely stunning and beautiful. You're watching Gorgeous Ladies Cornrow Braids Hairstyles to try this season. It's a wonderful season to be on braids. You can find variations of hairstyles right here to help you stand out and look really amazing and beautiful. Variations of views on some of those pictures as well to help guide you into making the best style or complete choice of style. You can definitely find latest cornrow braiding designs for women right here to help you stand out and look really beautiful and amazing. We encourage you to watch this video through the end. We also want you also to share the video with friends and family as you come to find variations and varieties of hairstyles to help you stand out and look really amazing and beautiful. You can see it's a wonderful compilation as well as collections of beautiful and amazing pictures to help guide you this season into making the best choice of hairstyle to go for. So go right ahead and watch this video through the end. Let's hear from you what you think about this amazing collections of hairstyles. Do well to share your thoughts on the comment section. Of course, if you have a compliment to share with us, we are also on hand to receive your compliment because it gives us the strength to go out there and work more. You can also check out our store. We do have an Amazon store right now where you can find variations and varieties of products as well as accessories for your hairstyling. We also have a few skin product right there as well. You can just make your purchase right there. It's a very trusted place for you to make that purchase in a safe environment, and we do encourage you to do just that. Stop by and check it out. Do not also forget to let us hear from you what you think about this amazing video you're watching right now. Keep coming back for more. Keep sharing our videos with friends and family. We do have an ebook right here to help you. If you have a service to share or sell online, you can definitely do that. You can see step by step on how you can go about it. Do also always come back for more. You take care and bye.